I got an RPG.
Dead. Dead.
Dead.
Yo, what up guys? Hope all is well. Today we're gonna be showing AMD some love. This build's gonna have a lot of power and we're focusing on 1440p gaming for the build we're doing here today. So the colors we're working with for this build is red and black. It's gonna come out really dope. I like the case I picked too. You'll see what I'm talking about more later. But yeah guys, today we're doing a time-lapse build. So yeah, I'm just gonna go over all the parts, why I picked them, tell you guys what every single thing costs, and then at the end, we're gonna be putting our build to the test, see how it performs. All right guys, so let's jump into it. So we'll kick it off with our graphics card. We chose the RX 7900 XT. Now this card has a bunch of VRAM, as you can see, 20 gigabytes. And if you guys are curious about its performance, AMD's RX 7900 XT performs slightly faster than NVIDIA's RTX 4070 Ti. So this was $820 and a 4070 Ti by NVIDIA is about $800 to $830 USD. So they're pretty much the same price and the performance is pretty much the same. So depending on the game we're talking about, the RX 7900 XT tends to beat the 4070 Ti by a couple FPS, by a little bit, but it's pretty much the same performance as a 4070 Ti. So that's what you can compare it to in case you're not too familiar with AMD's cards. And this card is going to be powered by two 8-pins. So this one is by Power Color, all matte finish on the top backplate, same thing in the middle, and then we have 3 fans on the bottom. Matte finish on here as well, and just a really clean, simple design, but it still looks sharp. I like the look of this card, and it gives us 2 display ports, 1 HDMI, and it actually comes with a Type-C port. That Type-C port will come in handy for some of you guys. So the processor, we are going to be pairing it with a Ryzen 5000 series, but this is the very popular Ryzen 7 5800X 3D, a very good CPU for gaming. And this Ryzen 7 is going to pair very nicely with our RX 7900 XT. So this is our little combo that's going to be pushing all our frames. But yeah, this doesn't come with a stock heatsink. So we did pick up a black heatsink. This goes for 35 bucks, lighting on the fan, and it's going to get the job done for our cooling. For our board, an ASUS board. I've used this board before. This is a Tough Gaming X570 chipset is what it's rocking, and it has Wi-Fi. We've got the Wi-Fi antenna, back plate, and here are the ports this board rocks, which is 1, 2 M.2 ports. For our RAM, we're going with 16 gigs, Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro RAM rated at 3600 megahertz. We picked this up for 69 bucks. For our juice, also by Corsair, we're going with 850 watts gold rated juice. This is Corsair's RM850X fully modular power supply. This guy went for 150. And here it is. This will be more than enough juice for our build here today, and all the cables. All right, we're almost done with our essentials. Moving on to the storage. We're with 1 terabyte WD Blue storage. I've been using the storage here on the channel for a long time. Price is good, performance is great. It gets the job done. And for our case, this is Fractal Design's Pop Air case in the Magenta colorway. And as you can see, it really stands out a lot. It's gonna look sick. A lot of cases do not have this color. We already know that the PC case market doesn't really have a lot of color in general. So it's always nice to see some different colors like the case we have here today. And yeah, it has a good quality tempered glass side panel. Let's get that out of the way. And look at that beautiful paint job. Looks really good. So this case comes with 3 pre-installed RGB fans, 1 in the back and 2 in the front right here. And again, I already said it, but look at this beautiful paint job. The inside of this build is really gonna pop. It's gonna be really rich. It's gonna look awesome. This case also has plenty of airflow, as you can see. All this is open. And yeah, Fractal Design Pop Air in the Magenta colorway. All right guys, well that completes our essentials list, and the total price of that is right here. Now we're gonna jump into our extras list, which is purely for aesthetics. Kicking it off with our Funko Pop. This is a character from the Hello Kitty universe, and it's a little collab with Naruto. They have a couple of these pops. I will be doing a build with another one of these guys right here. And yeah, we're gonna stick this little homie in our build later. As you can see, red and black is the colorway, so we wanted to match that. Moving on to our cables, we are going to be using our Crater custom sleeve power supply cables in the red and black colorway to match all the other components in our build. This is really going to bring our aesthetics of our build to the next level. Next, we're going to be using our RGB LED kit. Comes complete with 2 RGB LED strips that we will connect to our motherboard and are fully controllable from the software on our desktop. It also comes with extension cables and very strong magnetic attachments for full flexibility when cable managing our RGB strips. And last, we will be using our GPU support, and all this can be found on CraterHQ.com, our site. All right guys, so that's all the parts we're using here today for this build. Now before we jump into this build, remember, if you're interested in building your first PC, we've done full PC build guides here on the channel covering a wide variety of budgets, so be sure to check that out. And now let's jump into the build. And remember, stay tuned till the end because we will be putting our new build to the test against all current popular titles at the very end. All right, let's do this guys.
you keep it natural. Stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between is all you two turned up. Never turn down though, when it's big energy, when I come around though. So, don't ever switch. Know you've been looking, won't find it like this. Know you've been looking for the head of them curves. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. That I test, I'm like running it. I cycle, I swim and I run. Whatever you need, I'll try out the line with it. Turn on the lights, take a flick. Just don't be running this shit. Hey, I can see you as my chick. Nah, I can see you as my. You keep it natural, stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between is all you two turned up. Looking like art, that's masterpiece. Make a say unlike masterpiece. You should name yourself after me. Don't nobody really want you bad as me. If you walk away, that'd be sad to see. But if you play stay, baby, have a seat. On my every day, any day, every time, all the time. In my mind, summertime, dinner time. I just wanna see you cross the finish line, Feeling like Jimmy, I give you this Johnson. Know you like filming that content. All in your bank and I never pull out. I just like making deposits. Yeah, you keep it natural, stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between is all you two turned up. Never turn down though, when it's big energy, when I come around though. So, don't ever switch. Know you've been looking, won't find it like this. Know you've been looking for the head of them curves. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this.
Here we go, guys. First boot up. Boom, and we've done it again. Looks good, guys. So we put one RGB strip on the side and one on top up there. GPU fans are spinning. All our fans are spinning. Everything's good. There's our little homie just chilling. Looks good. GPU support right there, right behind the cables. Got our cables going. And yeah, came out good. Everything matches. Very simple build here. All black from the outside. Inside is where we have our splash of red / magenta with the color. Next, we need to install our operating system, Windows 11. I'm gonna install it from a USB flash drive, and I made a video on how to do that. It will be linked in the video description. And finally, let's put this rig to the test. Remember, all parts used for this build are linked in the video's description.
Settings for Halo Infinite. 1440p resolution, the FOV is at 90, and for our graphics quality, it's on the high settings preset. Here we go. Thank you for the extra nades. I'm gonna kill them with the nades now. Never mind. This finally, we have a challenge in Halo Infinite. He just walked up to my body and smacked it, bro. Disrespectful.
Broke his overshield. The other one's behind you.
One shot. He's one shot. Got him. Got him. I'm nading it. I'm nading it.
He's teabagging.
I got him with the nade. He dead. All right, we're tied up 5-5. Okay, these guys are good, but we're better, okay?
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Under you, hit a lot.
One shot. Dead.
Oh my goodness, overshield guys on me.
Got him. Oh, in front of me, one shot. Oh, they're both one shot. Double time. Throw a nade. Oh! Bro, they started off disrespecting us, teabagging us, and hitting us. Look at them now. We're about to double the kills. Oh, they're literally hiding, bro.
Oh my goodness, I hit that guy a lot.
Funny.
Dead.
Thank you, sir. Accept your fate, boy.
You got
they're
that.
both
Behind you. Nice.
Utilization for Halo Infinite was at 99%. Really good performance. We're on the high settings preset too, guys. So if you want to get that 240, turn it down to medium at 1440p. All right, guys, settings for Rainbow Six Siege. 1440p resolution, 60:10 aspect ratio, FOVs at the max 90, and here are our graphics settings. Let's do it. Got this. Woo! That's right. Mozzie on my X flanking. He ran out of time. Good job, man. Good job. We got it. We got it. Good job, guys. We won. Yeah. Performance was amazing. Look at that FPS. Insane. 300. Over 300 FPS.
Big carry.
Dude, what are you talking about? You got 3 kills. That was a great match, guys. We did really well. We brought home the dub. Settings for Apex Legends. 1440p resolution. Max FOV. 110. Here are the graphics settings. Let's do it. So slow. There you go. There's another one for me. Still very behind, though. Oh my god, die! They're always up by just one. Oh. No! That was close. Alright, performance was great for Apex. Lock 300. Alright, guys, moving on to the next game.
Alright, settings for Fortnite. We're playing on full screen, 1440p, VSync off, performance mode, and these are the rest of the settings. Let's go get a win. That was the win? What? Well, that was pretty easy, not gonna lie. Especially with this PC giving me over 300 FPS basically the entire time. Had 17 kills and won the game. On to the next one.
Alright, so settings for Call of Duty Warzone 2. 1440p resolution. For the quality, here it is. And for the FOV, to the max, of course. 120. Let's do it.
Where? Oh. Down.
Parachute to me. Parachute to me.
I missed.
Let's kill him from the bottom. They're both here. They're both one shot. The other one's still there. Run up, run up, run up, run up. He's lit, he's lit. All right, let's finish him. I'm going to put the UAV. I want this squad dunzos. Oh, I hear them.
Hit him. Hit him.
I'm running up. I'm running up. They put a claymore. Oh!
Dead, dead, dead. Hit a lot. Dead.
And his teammate's going to come. We didn't get the squad wipe. He's up here. Get to the top. Get to the top. Use the zip. Use the zip. Come on, let's get in zone. Let's get to the top of this building. Yo, go up the zip. There's 2 people on top.
Oh, wait, I have UAV.
Focus on the guy without the riot shield. I got the riot shield. Run away from that guy. Where are you? Where are you?
Plate.
Oh, he's behind us. He's jumping down. Chase him.
Broken. Nice.
Now we'll go down. Go.
Dead. Dead.
What? The flank. The flank. The flank.
Get down. Get down.
Get by ammo here. Ammo here. Time to run. Time to run. Take the jump. Take the jump.
They're on the roof.
Get in the big building. Big building. Don't use the UAVs yet. He's on the roof. Oh, right in front of us. Right. He's on top.
Oh my goodness. I need to get down.
Pop your UAV and thing then. What should I buy? Shield? Yeah. No, there's another one. Let's beat him to it. You got the right.
There's people up.
There's 2 people there though. I got an RPG.
Dead.
Go. Jump. Go up to the building. Okay. We got high ground. I have an RPG. Okay, you're gonna drop down first. Do it now with your riot shield. Drop.
Dead. It's only one in the zone. Hey, he's up.
No! Dude, we threw that, fam. Oh, no. My RPG shot missed, too. That was an epic match, but sad. And that's a wrap, guys. Thanks for coming and hanging out, watching till the end. Appreciate all you guys' support. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.